Now we see about Enterobacteriaceae Klebsiella. Enterobacteriaceae, one more lactose fermenting organism, Klebsiella pneumoniae. It is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacterium, non-motile, oxidase negative, lactose fermenting, anaerobic, facultative anaerobic organism. This one acts as a opportunistic human pathogen. Now we see about Enterobacteriaceae family, Klebsiella. This one is a gram-negative rod-shaped bacterium, non-motile, oxidase negative, lactose fermenting organism also. This one is facultative anaerobic. This one acts as a opportunistic human pathogen. Where it is found, it is present at normal flora of nose, mouth, skin, gastrointestinal tract and intestine. It also found in soil and water. Generally, Klebsiella infection are seen mostly people with a weakened immune system. Where it is present, now this one is a normal flora presented in our nose, mouth, skin, gastrointestinal tract and intestine, also presented in soil and water. Mainly it is presented in weakened immune system people, that means HIV AIDS patient, cancer patient. This disease caused by Klebsiella, urinary tract infection, pneumonia, septicemia, nosocomial infection, that means hospital infection, and soft tissue infection. What are the disease caused by Klebsiella? Urinary tract infection, pneumonia, septicemia, nosocomial infection and soft tissue infection. Then how it will transmit? Through respiratory tract. Then it will enter to the blood. Most well-known spread is hospital through person to person. It also spread healthcare setting. That means ventilator, catheter and surgery wound are highly prone to catching this deadly infection. How it will transmit? Through respiratory tract, then it will enter to blood, then it will affect the bloodstream. Most well known in hospital, spread through person to person. Then healthcare setting, patient who are on ventilator, catheter, surgery wound are highly prone to catching this deadly infection. Then what are the symptoms it will cause? It will differ depending on where the infection is located. So symptoms based on where that infection is located. Example, meningitis. Meningitis from Klebsiella pneumoniae produced the hallmark symptoms of bacterial meningitis. Bacterial meningitis including fever, confusion, neck stiffness, sensitivity to bright light. That symptoms based on differ depending on where infection is located. Symptoms based on where it will located. First one is meningitis from Klebsiella pneumoniae. It will produce fever, confusion, neck stiffness, sensitivity to bright light. Then bloodstream infection, that means bacteremia. Bacteremia means bacteria enter to blood. From Klebsiella causes fever, chills, rashes, headedness and altered mental status. In bloodstream infection, bacteremia and sepsis from Klebsiella causes fever, chills, rashes, light-headedness and altered mental status. Then pneumonia from Klebsiella pneumoniae can result fever and chills, flu-like symptoms, cough, which may produce mucus, that is yellow or green or bloody. Sputum will come with blood. So pneumonia from Klebsiella pneumoniae result, it causes fever and chills, flu-like symptoms, then cough with yellow or green color or with blood. Then breathing issue. Pneumonia causes breathing issue. So, three different type of infection. Meningitis means it causes fever, confusion, neck stiffness and sensitivity to bright light. Second one is bloodstream infection from Klebsiella causes fever, chills, rashes, headedness and altered mental status. Then Klebsiella pneumonia causes pneumonia also. It causes fever and chills, flu-like symptoms, cough with blood. Also causes breathing issue. Diagnosis we mainly used for culturing method and serological method. Incubation period 1 to 3 days. First we are using blood agar. It will produce slimy appearance of the colony. Second one is McConkey agar medium. All the medium we are incubating 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. In McConkey agar it will produce red or pink color colonies. EMP agar it will produce large mucoid pink to purple colony. No metallic green sheen on EMP. Others will produce a metallic green, but here EMP it will produce a pink to purple colony, not in metallic green sheen. Then clade agar, that means cysteine lactose electrolyte deficient agar medium. This medium support the growth of urinary pathogen and provided distinct colony morphology. Separate colony will produce. So, diagnosis method, what are the method we are using? Culturing method and serological method. Incubation period 1 to 3 days. Blood agar it will produce slimy appearance of the colony. McConkey agar red and pink colony. Red or pink colony. EMP it will produce pink to purple colony, not in metallic green. Then clade agar medium. This medium is support for the growth of urinary pathogen. It will provide distinct colony morphology. Then in this medium Klebsiella pneumoniae produce large mucoid colonies. This medium having promothymal blue indicator. So it will change yellow color due to acidification of this medium to lactose fermentation by bacterial growth. Because of this promothymal blue indicator in the agar medium, this agar medium having promothymal blue indicator, based on that only it will change yellow in color. Otherwise it will maintain translucent blue color. Lactose fermenting organism produced yellow in color. Non-lactose produced translucent blue color. Then last test is string test. This test we will take a slide, then add 1 drop of 3% KOH solution. Then we are adding 1 loop full of bacterial culture. Then mix it proper. By using loop we will take a string that length 5 mm. This organism produced string means positive result, otherwise negative result. Then fifth test is string test. A colony that stretches more than 5 mm using a standard inoculation loop test positive for hypermucoviscosity. Here we are doing string test. We will take a slide, add 3% of KOH solution, then bacterial culture. We will mix it. Then it will produce the string means thread-like structure, indicate positive, no string means negative result. Then last Indian ink capsule stains. Here organism produced purple in color, background white in color. If capsule is presented means clear background. Biochemical test oxidase, indole, H2S and citrate. All test negative. Indian ink it will produce background will be dark, bacterial cell having purple in color. If capsule is presented means will appear clear against a dark background. Organism having purple in color, background white background. Biochemical test all are negative. Then treatment cephalosporin, then cefotaxime and fluoroquinolones. What are the drugs we are using? Cephalosporin and fluoroquinolones. Biochemical test all are negative. Oxidase, indole, H2S and citrate negative. Symptoms we know: chills, fever, chest pain. Then bloody sputum. Pathogenesis: aspiration of colonized droplet from the throat and destruction of lungs tissue. Treatment cephalosporin, then cefotaxime, fluoroquinolones. These are the drugs we are used for in Klebsiella pneumoniae.